CQV is the formal process of demonstrating and documenting compliance of a design system to specifications, both vendor specifications and federal regulations.
Fitting CQV into the overall timeline is highly critical, and the earlier you can front load some of that is going to help on the back end.
You can leverage testing throughout that project life cycle so that you are continuously testing your equipment, just not at the end, which if you keep everything to the end, you can get in trouble that way.
Smarter CQV is risk-based in that we formally execute risk assessments, determine the exact impact of a system, and commission and validate appropriately.
If you're doing a capital project, you need to have somebody who's qualified on your team, someone who's done capital projects year after year and have seen the pitfalls that can arise through poor planning and poor execution.
Salas O'Brien can fit into clients' support of their whole validation program really from start to finish. We have the ability to draft some of those user requirement documents as you start the whole validation process. We can then go through IQ, OQ, PQ, and even into later validation phases if needed.
CQV is not a button on the end of a schedule. Involve us in project planning. Put CQV milestones on your project schedule.
The more you can put into those user requirement documents, specifically for like pharmaceutical equipment, is going to help you in the long run.
If you don't get that up front, then you're paying that vendor to do that documentation for you after the fact. And they may not even be able to do it after the fact. We at Salas O'Brien have people with that experience that can help guide our clients going through this process and have them deliver a higher quality project on time and on budget.